Right, are you ready? Are you ready? Right, okay. What is that? What do you reckon? Eh? What do you reckon? I don't think you'll have a problem. I bet you go straight for it. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Look. Here we go. Look. No problem. Loving it. Oh, it's
oh, yummy. Oh, wow. Scrap. Come on. Come watch your babies eat. Their first solid.
This is Freedom, Scratch. This is called Freedom.
Oh, they're liking it.
There you go. Look. Yeah.
Come, Splodge, come and eat your dinner. And you, come on, Schultz. Oh. Titch of love, innit? Come on, Cuff.
These two are looking at each other.
Oh,
look.
yeah. Oh.
Oh. Put the phone. Always looking back. Yeah. Oh, you don't want no more, eh?
Oh, come on. Schultz. Oh my life.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yummy.
Oh, look, she is really tucking in. My God, she's made a hole in that.
Oh, that's great. Come watch your pup. Schultz just wants to play.
He just wants to play. You're in a playful mode, aren't you? Hey. Yeah, you play. Why don't you play with that? There you go. He doesn't. He's had enough. I think she'll probably go from as much as she can get. She's just devouring it. These two are loving it too.
Yeah.
No, come on, you've got to learn that food's not down there forever. Come on. Oh, you for that? You for that? You? What's up with you? What's up with you? Silly boy. Oh, you're a silly boy. There you go. Look. Look. There you go.
Oh, no chance, I want milk. My name's Guzzle, they don't call me Guzzle for nothing.
Yeah. Hello, you don't want nothing. You don't want no more food. Yeah. Try it from that side, there you go, look.
Titch is right in there now.
You don't have to push under somebody else to get your food. come for a cuddle, do you? Well, I've got to put YouTube down for dinner. Well, we'll leave it there for 5 minutes, so if anyone
Right,
just
we finished
quickly
that, yeah?
top off.